Prepare a new protective lens, a flat blade screwdriver or tweezers, lens cleaning cloth, and alcohol. Unscrew the dust cover. Use the tool to remove the old protective lens and set it aside. Note that the orange seal must be in the groove. If it moves, use the tool to reset it. Check whether the field lens is clean. If there is dust, use the lens cleaning cloth dipped in alcohol to wipe it in the same direction. Cover the gun head with the lens cleaning cloth to prevent dust. Install the new protective lens on the dust cover. With the gun head facing down, install the dust cover on the gun head. Complete!